In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the camera in Microsoft Teams, whether it's for an important meeting, a team discussion, or just catching up with friends and family virtually. Having your camera set up and ready is crucial for a smooth and professional experience. First, you need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this either through the Teams app on your device or via the Teams website. Enter your login credentials, typically your email and password. If it's your first time signing in, don't forget to allow Teams to access your microphone and camera, as these permissions are essential for video calls. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your Teams, chats, and meetings. From here, locate the meeting you want to join. This could be scheduled in your calendar or an ongoing call in your chat list. Click the Join button to enter the meeting interface. When you enter the meeting screen, you'll see several options for adjusting your audio and video settings. Focus on the small camera icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. By default, your camera may be turned off. Click the camera icon to activate it, and a preview of yourself should appear. This is a good opportunity to check your framing and lighting. If your camera doesn't turn on, make sure no other applications are using it, and check your device settings to ensure it isn't blocked or disabled. Teams may also prompt you to allow camera access for the first time. Make sure to click Allow. Proper lighting can make a huge difference, so position yourself near a light source or adjust your room lighting for a clear and professional appearance. Once your camera is on, you're ready to participate in the meeting confidently. A well-set camera allows you to engage more naturally, making conversations smoother and more interactive. Following these steps ensures a seamless setup, letting you focus on your discussion rather than technical issues. With your camera properly set up, you're now ready for any Microsoft Teams call, whether it's professional or casual. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Teams video calls.